here? Are we live? Are we good? Are we there? Are we having fun? Are we live? Sue, good morning, good afternoon, how are you? I think we are. Are we back? Are we live? Is it good? Oh my goodness. Let's go, baby. Good morning, Vietnam. Oh my goodness. We are live. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are finally live. I see the connection bar. We are green. We are good to go. I hope everyone is having a wonderful. Is today Friday? I hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday morning. Welcome back to the stream. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. Sue is the only one in the stream right now. Sue, I very much appreciate it. Are we I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go. Well, whatever, we'll see where today takes us. DJ Underground, good morning, man. How are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. DJ Underground, he got that cup of coffee, bro. Let's go, dude. Come on. Hey, keep me updated. Keep me updated, guys. You gotta keep me updated with the stream, with the connection. I'm watching OCEA. All right, let's go. You know what, DJ? I'm gonna say this, bro. I was watching Oshi at 60 cents and it popped up to 97, so I missed out on the run. I did. What was the news again? Oh yeah, it was like a post a 15-cent share loss, which is not terrible, but I don't know. I kind of had it spiking up. It kind of double topped here. It could be setting up for a nice cup and handle. Maybe something to watch for when the market opens. My voice is low. That's interesting. My voice is low. Why would my voice be so low? Is this better? Are we doing good here? Do I gotta turn it up a little bit more? We do have a bit of static in the background. Alright, you know what? I'm so hesitant to do anything right now. I'm so hesitant to do anything. We've had weeks and I want to put some music in the background. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Alright, we're just gonna wait for more people to filter in. They'll let us know how everything's going. But my goodness, oh my god, guys, the stream is back. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Steve, good morning. I think we're back, man. I think we're finally back. Oh, I don't want to get too cocky. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Because I tried it last Friday and it worked then as well. That's why I was surprised that the beginning of this week it wasn't working. But I'm telling you, I think it's the weather. The weather should clear up. It should have cleared up by now. Yep, I mean I got like 1 day of rain. But that's not until next Tuesday. and the following Saturday, but it's like, I don't know, for a couple hours, an hour here, an hour there. Oh my god. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Guys, make sure you keep on updating the stream, because it is, I don't know, maybe pulling back. No trade like you have been trading without the stream. 1000x now. I know, guys. So if you're there's 5 people here, which is, oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You don't understand the relief. This is almost better than an orgasm. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's not make this weird. Pause. Make sure you hit the goddamn like. Oh, sorry. Not that language. Please caress the like button. That'd be very much appreciated. The stream is back. After weeks of terrible weather, connection issues, here, there, calling people, having people take over, listening, troubleshooting, this, that, and the other, I think we're finally getting there. All right. Well, I hope everyone's having a good morning. You're gonna have to give me a little bit. I need to get back into the market groove here and the stream groove. Whew, it has been a while. It's like a newborn baby right now. See, LUNR popped up here pretty nicely. SUGP currently sitting at 580. I need to get my airplane pilot voice back. MNPR currently cruising at an altitude of 127. OCEA currently trading at around 74.81 after hitting 97.30. Does seem to have 2 indecisive candles. Potential continuation towards the downside. UAVS hit 249 and then came all the way back down to 130. Any news on UAVS? They got a contract deal. Well, thing is, I only got 1 day trade. So, I'm not sure if we're going to be using it today. There are things I'm going to be discussing. Oh man, apple pie last night. I know. There are things that I'm going to be discussing on the live, but we will do that once the market actually goes all in and opens. More people hopefully trickle in. It's been a while. You know, the YouTube algo probably got to spit this out to a couple people here and there. So I'm going to try to get as many people in back as possible. But regardless of that, if you haven't already looked at the title of the stream, we are at $480, right? We clipped $500, all right? The last full stream I did, the last day where I fully streamed, that was February 2nd. So that it's been almost 21 days, 3 full weeks since I've managed to stream for a decent amount of time. We were at $275. I've increased the account by $205. We were almost double that at one point in the account, okay? We have been on the grind. So anybody coming into the stream right now, there's no excuse. There is no excuse. You have to put in the work. Put in the time, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Sometimes you got to wake up in the morning. You got to put your hand on your balls and look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, are you worth it today? And some of you, you're going to look deep into your own soul and you're going to realize you're not. Some of you, you are. And if you don't got balls, find something else to grab onto. You know what? I can say whatever I want. This is my stream, baby, and we're back. Let's go. I don't even care. Where's AMC in the title? AMC this, AMC that. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I'm going to use the title of AMC, the best AMC YouTube channel out there. I'm gonna use it responsibly. All right. All the memesters, all the meme wars, all the meme cadets, Adam Aaron, all the YouTubers, the Redditors. You guys fling that title around like you got a factory down there. You know, I'm going to use it responsibly. All right. You guys are a bunch of drunk drivers at the wheel. All right. I didn't become the best AMC YouTube channel out there because I put AMC in the title every single day. I just am the best AMC channel out there. So deal with it, all right? Hopefully I don't die along the way. All right, OCEA is popping back up 78 cents here. Looking to reclaim the 13 EMA, trying to pop over the VWAP here. MNPR has fallen, continues to fall, 122. See, oh, never mind. I mean, I say that AMC's popping up, baby. I'm gonna talk dirty to that Night Walker. Let's go. Oh man, I want what you having this morning. Oh, Steve, you ain't heard nothing yet, baby. This is my stream. Oh my goodness. I keep on nervously checking the connection because I'm waiting for the bars to just turn red all of a sudden. But yeah, no, we're gonna take this at a steady pace today. All right, this is the first day we're fully back. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Oh, you don't even know. I had a whole speech planned out, Steve. I had a whole speech planned out, and I forgot most of it because it's early on in the morning. I had a whole speech talking about how we got to get some, baby. And we're gonna get some, but we're gonna let my streaming juices warm up here a little bit. This is a little out of the environment. Not even gonna lie. 79 cents on OCEA here at 79. Repeating that, 79 cents OCEA. I'm eyeing UAVS. Something is telling me if I'm not mistaken, if we took a Fibonacci retracement just for the giggles of it, if we threw a quagmire here, 168 on UAVS, so that would be like 30 cents a share. It's actually not that bad. What was it, 168? Yeah, like 168. Which would put us just below the VWAP, which would make a lot of sense. OCEA, there we go, 82. DJ Underground, let's go, baby. Let's go. Get some emojis. Three likes and 3 viewers. We had a bunch of freeloading frauds in the background. And we'll let him freeload. Oh shit, does have a continuation with a nice setup here. 13 looks to be crossing back up above the VWAP. It is a Friday, on a short week. So I'm actually not that surprised that we don't have that many runners. UCAR is up. BENF. No, the popped up came back down. MNPR still 122 here. BDRX. So, we already have that up there. UAVS just looks like it has a nice setup. Don't have any volume yet though. Alright guys, we're here to have fun today, alright? We're here to have fun. Come on. Come on, LAES. So let's have an even more fun. Why not? There's that bounce. Come on, baby. $134 on UAVS. Oh man, if UAVS manages to reclaim the VWAP, I feel like it might reject it one more time and then drop. I mean, it hit that 127 level. I want to see a little bit more volume swoop in there. I feel like the news is pretty good though. What's the float on this actually? They did a reverse split as well a couple of days ago, 1 for 20. And then they had that spike up. Another spike and back up. We are continuing to have some fun. All right. We're about 20 minutes away from market open here. I'm actually gonna go set a pot of coffee. I'll be right back. One sec. And enjoy the elevator music. All right, let's go, baby. Come on, come on. Keep an eye on LYT. All right, let me throw up LYT here. Ooh, okay. They did a reverse split. I'm surprised they haven't halted this. Oh, wow. OCEA popped back up here all the way up to 93. Cup and handle on OCEA seems to be complete. Just before the market open as well, which is interesting. Hold up. I need to. You know what I need to do? All right, there we go. We got it posted live in the Discord as well. Actually, let me do the other Discord as well. All right, slow and steady, guys. It's pre-market, so no halt. Yeah, but they've been halting some of these IPO or not IPO, these reverse splits in the pre-market. They did that the last couple of weeks. They've been doing that. Oh, SUGP. Let me throw that back up there. It's not really doing too much. But LYT, yeah, we got that added. Play I still want to keep an eye on is HTOO. I actually did like the DD that I did on it. Guys, this is slow and steady, all right? We're not getting ahead of ourselves here on the stream. I feel like I'm walking on a tightrope right now. All right, we're settled for now. We're settled for now. All right, UAVS 134. OCEA still looks good. What? What is that? All right. RAVB is also trying to seal. CSM's also there. What about Fubo? Fubo's at 184. I did swing Fubo for like a little bit. BDRX. BDRX still actually looks pretty good. Let's see, they got phase 1 trial. Could that could explode. Yeah, Oshi is coming back down. It's the volume that kind of worried me there. Even though it wasn't that bad. Hold up. All right. We're now going to go on to the next phase. The next phase of this, which will be to set up the second monitor. All right? I only have one monitor up right now. That's what I'm worried about. If I throw up the second monitor and it starts buffering, then maybe we have found our issue here. If not, and the stream connection is still good, then I don't have to keep on flipping back and forth. Alright. Part 2 of Operation Let's Get This Show on the Road. Alright, here we go. I'm throwing you guys up on the second monitor. No issues as of yet. Okay, here we go. Boom. You guys are up there. No issues. No issues. Oh, alright. Let's go. Alright. More confident. As the market gets closer to open, the more confident I'm getting here. Come on, son. Alright. BDRX, UAVS, a bit disappointing. Oh my goodness. Pyro, good morning. How are you, sir? We're back, baby. We're back. Rally the troops. Rally the troops. Alright, we got 7 people in here now. I like to see it. Alright, what's going on here? Alright, we're good, we're good. Alright, alright. We got 7 people in here. I think that's a good amount. Snookeroo, morning, man. Good morning, Snookeroo. How are you doing? Long time no see, sir. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday morning, man. All right. See, normally we got about 10 people right about now, but again, first stream back in a while, almost a month. People probably forgot I even existed. All right, 125 on MNPR. Still looking to climb. UAV has been actually pretty disappointing here. She do care more about LAS. LAS had more news. So, yeah, been busy with life and killing it in the market. Let's go, sir. Let's go. I like to hear that. I like to hear that. Polish it off, baby. Bought some MELII at 1665 this morning. MEL. You mean MELI? You bought MELI this morning? Damn, okay. I don't know what game you're playing, but that's a really interesting game. It's very interesting. All right, here we go. OCEA popping back up. All right, now that there's 6 or 7 people in here, time to start talking a little bit more. Actually, no. Let's let the market open up. Let's first. We're gonna let the market open up. We're gonna let the first 15 minutes of chaos. We're gonna talk through that 15 minutes of chaos, and then we're gonna get right back to it once that chaos kind of died off there. Come on, come on, come on, LAS. What do you want BTOG popped up, but see any new tickers here? All right, we got TPHS, BSFC, small pop up, UCAR. Still like UAVS, but we're gonna wait here a little bit. Come on, come on. All right, well, UAVS is not moving, but LYT hit 421. It came back down to 331. I'm telling you, that cup and handle on OCEA is looking real good right now. That first initial move, I can't even buy OCEA right now. I don't have enough cash on hand. QURE did drop off a little bit here. Not the biggest fan of that, actually. Let me just throw up what I have. Yeah, we're down $2 on that. All right, we do have an AMC position. Some of you guys might have picked up on that. We're holding 10 shares of AMC at an average of 436, which we did hit today. Seems to me that this could be the bottom for now, unless we want to go lower than that. QMCO has not been my greatest position as of right now. We're in at like 59. There we go. OCEA pushing up. 94, 96, 97. Finally looking to break that sort of resistance line here. There we go. We hit 99. We're looking to break into the dollar area. We officially have 5 minutes left to go before the market officially opens. AXTI has been slowly grinding its way back up here. Yep, $1 on OCEA. Okay, we're finally starting to kick in some volume here. We're looking to push $1 here. If you can push $1, you're probably going to break out on that cup and handle setup. Very, very diligently. 101, there we go. 102, finally pushing up here. This can move pretty quickly, especially because we're still in pre-market here. Hold up, let me quickly go grab my cup of coffee before the market opens. All right, baby, and we're back right before that open. Come on. OCEA 102, come on, give us some juice. MNPR looking to push back up. We did hit 150 earlier on this morning. LUNR? LUNR's popping back up. Man, LUNR swings are really insane, man. All the way down to what, $7? Came back up, hit $14, up 100%. Came all the way back down to 10.50, now back up to 11.60. I mean, that's a full dollar swing right there on the share. OCEA was on the top of my list in the morning video. Yes, sir, DJ Underground, good call out. You playing consistently, my friend. I like the I like the consistency. That's what you want to see. 103, come on, baby, push it. Push it up, come on, give it some juice. Good luck to all. Yep, here we go. 30 seconds away from the market open. Come on, baby. Let it fly. MNPR 127. Okay, Quantum. Okay, QMCO. Give me a good welcome back to the stream today. That's what I like to see. Boom, there we go. Market is open. Let's dance, ladies and gentlemen. First day back on the stream in a long time. MNPR popping up to 128 here. OCEA hitting 107 right off the bat. All right, GWH is popping up a no price action. Okay, we do have a lot of low volume price action here. SUGP. All right, there we go. MNPR pushing up 132, moving up. We hit 108 on OCEA. LUNR hitting 1183, coming back down here. Well, what was he? It was Femi. All right. Well, QMCO is the only one that's really green today for me. LES, I thought there was going to be a little bit more juice. MNPR still pushing up. MYTE 270, interesting. All right, we're taking QURE off the table here. It has not moved the way I've wanted it to. It was meant to be a swinger that was going to provide me $1 per share pop-up in the following days. I know it's Friday, and that's exactly why I'm taking it off. There we go. MNPR. That 150 I don't like, but you have the setup. OCEA getting dropped down to 86 cents here. Very interesting. If we can hold that 85 area, that's a good indicator. IFBD popping up here at open. Hold up. How? This one can get out of hand pretty quickly, right? 340. Yeah, we're at that 340 level right now. Never mind. Well, we're at 350. Hit three, or we hit, never mind, 368. AULT looks pretty interesting here. Good opening volume. Ooh, ALT, you're off to the races, son. What do you got? Any news? Good opening volume. AULT looks very interesting. Hold up, let me quickly. All right, there we go. Oh, come on. All right, well, we're in a play now. OCEA halted on the way down. IFBD halted on the way up. SUGP. UCAR popping up slightly. Price action is a little weird, not even gonna lie. Hold up, let me throw up IFBD here so we have that there. VRM moving up here, 976. There we go. So I got rug pulled. Happens every time I break my rules. Yep. MBY maybe. You know what? Sue was actually looking at that this morning. MBY was the only ticker that actually met some criteria I had for the morning. So I do like MBY setup. I've been saying that for the last couple of days. So I do. By the way, Carvana is pushing up here. I'm not sure if anyone's interested. VRM vroom vroom, still looking good here. VRM $10. OCEA and IFBD are still halted here. All right. All right. OCEA unhalted here. Opening up at 79, pushing back up to the 85 area. As I said, needs to hold that 85 area. not looking great. Pyro, I'm in the same boat as you. Woo. All right. Well, not the greatest opening to a stream ever. That's great. Room's still looking good. All right. IFBD unhalted 348. OCEA is moving. I'm missing something here. FICVW got delisted. Luckily, I made some money on it. Oh yeah, that's true. You were playing that earlier in the week. 1034 here on VRM. 1051. UCAR is moving. All right, let's throw up UCAR. Yep, there we go. UCAR 760. IFBD popping back up. I got screwed on it, and they would sell for me yesterday. Wow. What, UCAR? Oh, Steve, were you playing around with margin again? Yep, 788. Looking good here. QMCO's climbing back up here. I have LAS as well. LAS is dipping below that area. Coming back down to this 209. Oh, IFCVW? Okay. OSHA wants that $1. No, I agree, Zim. Good bounce. You need that. I mean, it did open up below the 85, but you need that bounce. Recovery on the 13 EMA and the VWAP, which is good to see there. Top of the motherfucking Oh yeah, that's right, Zim. I haven't seen you. What's up, Zim? How you doing, bro? Good morning, man. Damn, we got 10 people in here, 10 people back. That's good to see. Alright, you know what? Not having the greatest of days, but take it on the chin like a champ. to that. What is this absolute crap market price? All right. Positions aren't looking too great for me today, but hey, that's part of it. LAES is coming down. Ooh, LAES, what are you doing, bro? You got a retested area. What's the volume like? I still see selling on it. Been working week after week nonstop while getting some trading in when I can. Hey, that's good to hear, man. There we go. MNPR. Oh wow, MNPR broke 150. Hit 153. Looking to push up. Damn. I wasn't sure if it was gonna break 150, and it did. OCEA coming back down to 84. 13 EMA below it. Rejection off the VWAP. OCEA is not looking too hot right now. MNPR looks pretty decent though. Vroom halted on the way up at 1161. E tapped 3K yesterday. Really? Damn, Ethereum really rallied. I was only looking at Bitcoin, to be honest. Silver's down. Treasury yields are down. SPY just hit 510. Wow, the SPY is still climbing. Nvidia, no way. Nvidia is at 816. Gapping up one more time. Or again in general. Yeah, MNPR still looking good. OSHA's struggling. I wanted to take a look. Isn't that funny? AMC is down on my average. Alright, well, the market is now 15 minutes in. We've seen a lot of the volatility. We've seen some good price action. How is everyone doing? We got 10 people in the stream. We are back for the first time in a while. So I just want to quickly kick off this stream by saying, and for those people coming in, welcome back. It has been a while, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We've had an interesting time in the market. Now, today the count's not doing great, but we are in the 400s, which is good, right? Probably most of you didn't expect that. I'm probably in that category of not really expecting the portfolio to be doing that good. But yeah, so we're in the $400 range, I would say comfortably. The 500s we're in and out of. So I just want to quickly state that. Also, I am now a long holder on AMC. I know that shit sounds crazy. I totally agree with you. Yeah, also another thing, I have decided to switch the direction of the channel a little bit. So I'm going to be uploading some more videos and some more shorts. Some of you probably already seen those videos. I'm going to do walk the talks. They're coming back. And I will also be doing an update of the stream, or not the stream, but the account, sort of after hours. I might switch it over to when the market closes, because it makes sense, so the account isn't moving and things like that. So yeah, probably do that. And for the stream, we are going to be reducing the schedule overall. So before, I would stream the entire day, and as much as I enjoy doing that, it is a lot. It is a lot to stream for 6 or 7 hours a day, especially when, how do you say, I want to do other things in my life as well. I want to do more things with the channel. So we are now going to be ending the stream 2 hours into the market. Depending on how the market is going, we might do 2.5 hours. But yeah, we that's what we're gonna be switching the stream time to. So at around 8:30, 9 o'clock Pacific time is when I will end the stream. Translate that, it's gonna probably be around 11:30, 12, which is right around lunchtime on the East Coast. You might be, well, come back for power hour and stuff like that. I will not be doing that. However, I will be in the private Discord. No, if you're not in the private Discord now, you probably can't join unless you're an individual that like is a true OG and I've seen you around for a while. You can message me. VRM is unhalted, moving up to $12 here. 12.25 instantly popping up, moving up pretty nicely. So yeah, that's something that I'm going to be changing. So if you're in the private Discord, congratulations. If you're not in it, there's a Discord. There's a Discord in the subscription, or not in the subscription, in the description. If you click that, you can join for free. That one is totally for free. I will not charge anyone to come into that Discord. I didn't charge anyone to come into the private Discord either. I'm not going to charge anyone to come into the public one. But yeah, so I'll probably be in the Discord after the streams. Something along that lines. I think it's a little bit more chill. It's a little bit more fun. IFBD popping up to 379 here. So plus it kind of lets me focus on the on some other things as well here. So yeah, just want to quickly update on those people. I did make an update video on that, kind of explaining that. I might change. That could always change in the future, but for now, I'm just gonna let it sit where it's at for now. So. Uh, yep, it's already way too much. Oops. All right. Well, we took a loss on the day trade. Not the greatest of day trades, but hey, first day trade back on the live stream. Why not? It wasn't the greatest of trades, but how do you say, that's part of the game. Whoa. Count is already down a decent amount, but that's actually just because of the positions I'm holding. LES is coming back down a little bit further than I expected, but hey, that's part of it. QMCO is also a play that I'm not particularly happy about. Might just cut that as well and just rake back in the capital there. So, yeah, okay. If you have any questions about what I just said in regards to the structure of the stream, And the channel. You can ask me now. You can ask me in the comments of the videos, of the shorts, whatever it may be. I'm not too worried about that. So yeah. But anyways, let's get back to the market here. I did just take a loss on a day trade, so happens. Everybody loses. SUGP halted on the way down. VRM resistance at 500 EMA. IFBD is still popping up to 395 here. MNPR failing the breakout from 150, hitting 154, coming back down. OCEA coming back up here. Oh, damn. AXTI had a really nice... Wait, what? AXTI is up 90%? Whew. I fell into one of my classic... Fell for one of my classic traps that I do in the market. I didn't listen to Steve's wisdom. IFBD hitting $4 here. I think I picked like the only ticker that's not popping up in the top of the list. All right. All right. Anything UCAR? Let's take a look at UCAR. UCAR hit 870, coming back down to that 500. AXTI is still popping up. VRM is chilling. All right. Actually, I'm gonna spend some time looking at LAS here. All right. So we're just hitting into that range over there, which actually, if you look at that, it wants to come back down. What's my average on this? Yep, not great. We do seem to have some support here. Alright, you know what? We're just going to collect some of the capital. Take a loss on that trade as well. Did that wrong. Alright. Not bad. We're just going to recollect some of the capital on the account. I got a little ballsy with the amount of money that was in the account. I'm not even going to lie. No way, dude. Get out of here. Yep. Of course you would do that. ATPC. Pop up here. Alright. Alright, we're just gonna... Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, sorry, I was reading something in the background. This always happens. PMEC, pop-up, Jan, OCEA. Oh, OCEA is down to 78. AXTI 430. No, market feels weird today. Actually, I'm just going to leave up LES. So I want to see how it responds. I understand why you're going down. Oh, that was a rough. All right. FLJ, TPHS. We got AXTI, OSHA's down to MNPR. MNPR hit 155. MNPR still looking to break out here. IFBD is down. TBIO is down. LUNR is down. ENVB trading sideways. BTOG. UCAR coming all the way back down from where it started. LYT hitting 275 here. SUGP is still halted. Damn, Nvidia is still rallying. It's impressive. All right, there we go. MNPR 156, 157, 158. Bart, remember today is the last day to buy Walmart before the split. That is true. You can buy Walmart before the split. That is a possibility. 160 on MNPR pushing back up. Still keeping my eye on HTOO. Curious to see if they bring it all the way back down to this 156 level. Min is still rising. Wimmy is popping up. Oh, Wimmy with a spike. Okay, Wimmy. 111 hit all the way back down to 101. Yesterday it hit 140 in the pre-market, came all the way back down. Cedu is chilling. Goro popping back. Yeah, MNPR still looks pretty good. Man, today's market is weird. Alright. UCAR. Yeah, Wimmy with a nice little spike here. VRM is looking to come back down. MRVI, SMBR, MNPR. SUGP unhalted here, bouncing off of 433, the 200 EMA once again. AXCI hitting the 13 EMA at around 401. VRM hitting the 13 EMA as well. MNPR still pretty decent setup here. UMAC had a pop-up. ENVP, what about? There we go. And MNPR 162. Looking to break 163. Yeah, there's 162. Still holding. QNRX, AOUN, ASST. OCEA still looking a little weak here. 164, boom, there we go. We have VWAP and 13 EMA colliding. Wimmy is the next holo? Very well could be. I'll leave it up. What's the float on Wimmy again? Float is 10 million. Market cap is pretty high. I'm not sure if Wimmy is actually Chinese play though. That's the only thing. Oh, Wimmy is Chinese? Okay. Yeah, I mean, look, Wimmy's been doing that sort of. It had that breakout and then that bounce. Now it's doing this where it needs to find buying pressure up above. Yeah, OCEA still coming back down here. Guts Holden. Not sure if Guts is really worth. Rumor of a reverse split on Fun. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, Fun is at 16 cents? Holy crap. Yeah, but if sorry, Sue, if Fun is going through reverse split, that could be an interesting thing to keep on. I saw that, hence the huge drop on Fun. Yeah. No, that's something interesting to keep an eye on. All right, MNPR 169 rejection. UK still trying to climb up. Yep, 2 trillion, 806. Nvidia still looks like it could do something here. Oh, by the way, I haven't even looked at the connection of the stream. Sen's, oh yeah, completely forgot about this one. Sen's actually looking good again. I have a hard stop out at 97. Yeah. No, it could be a good trade because they got earnings coming up. It's probably going to continue running into earnings. Damn, bro. What about Cook? Good bounce. Man, the market feels like it's diverging. MNPR 173 still pushing. AXTI looking ready. LYT bouncing back up. There we go, Steve. There's that LYT bounce. Yeah. Low volume though. I'm not looking great either. Come on, AMC, what happened to you? People don't believe. They don't trust and they do not believe. AXTI looking ready for another leg up here. There we go. LYT 317. Bouncing off that 275 level. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. Okay. There we go. AXTI 429. OCEA. OCEA at 74. Let's take a look. I mean, this is OCEA is probably gonna have to find support at the 72, which it's trying to do right now. 74 even. But it looks like it wants to go back down to that 70, even potentially lower than that. I mean, if you hit 61, that could be a good buying opportunity, but I don't know, maybe the momentum's gone at that point. MNPR hitting 173. Finally, a bit of a drop here, coming back down to that VWAP 13. LYT still looks pretty decent. AXTI starting to get some volume here above the VWAP, which is good to see. We are running into that resistance of 430. We do have the 13 below us as support. All these trends have been broken. $197, $173. Wow, MNPR broke the VWAP here. AXTI rejection of the breakout on the VWAP as well. LYT, low volume, still not doing terrible. Let's take a look. Fun, 1870. WIMI, 110, 111. UCAR, bouncing back up, hitting 660 and then bouncing. MBY, how's MBY doing? 15s, not bad. SPY's just trading sideways here. We do have buying pressure, but nothing too great. AGNC dividend. OCEA is bouncing. AXTI bouncing off the 13, so it's in between the VWAP and 13 right now. So you're going to see a chokehold on this level. You want to see some more volume though, because when we try to break above this 420 area on AXTI, we did get rejected. MNPR is at sort of a crossroads. KOPN slowly climbing up. QURE. They have earnings today. SMBR coming down. OCEA potentially finding a bit of a bottom here. Not too confident in it just quite, but something to keep an eye on. LUNR still bouncing around the 9s. Kind coming down. TBIO hitting 53,500. Don't want to break below that. ENVB didn't do all too much. ATCH. Do you see climb up in volume again? Actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, MNPR again, rejection. SUGP halted at 350. Wow. AXTI. LYT rejection off of the VWAP. ATCH. BQ. IFBD. Coming back down. There's been no real clean cut winner. I would say OCEA is up there, and AXTI and MNPR. But otherwise than that, there's nothing really clean. Some of the bigger tickers, yes, I would agree with that. Nvidia falling below 800. Oh, okay, interesting. $795 bounce. Goldman Sachs is mighty. You know, the VIX is down today. PLTR is down today. Man, I don't like this price action on OCEA whatsoever. Big drop, yeah, okay. Well, we just hit the 70s. AXTI breaking back above the 420s. Last time we had a lot of selling pressure here, a lot of volume. AXTI, there we go. 425, 426. If we can't break this supply area, it's going to get rejected again. Last time was a big drop. There's a lot of buying pressure here. It's good to see. I mean, I get it, but I also don't. Hmm. I'll be right back. Get some more coffee. You know what, Bart? Sorry, I just saw your comment, Bart. I'm looking at the market. Um, I mean, I think so. I mean, it kind of makes sense. I mean, maybe if I look at some of the broader, I mean, we got money going into bonds. I see that in the market. The dollar is up today. So, hey, P71, what's up, bro? Yes, sir, I am back. So yeah, as far as I can see, we have money is moving out of the stock market and is moving into bond yields or just bonds in general. That's kind of what I see, but it's nothing crazy. So, and you do see some of the larger tickers kind of going up actually. Though I'm not too confident like it just I mean, the market is stretching itself here. Good, good. Yes, sir. I am happy to be back. Though to be fair, the market and the account aren't doing great. So I was away from the stream. The account was doing really good. Come back to the stream. Account's not doing too good. I'm not gonna blame it on the stream though. It's more my should have. Oh, god damn it! I said it. I said it. I know. I said it. I said it. I said it. There's things that I could have definitely done better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next time. Next time, just take more cash. I think that's the lesson I've learned here. Just take more cash. Yeah, Steve. I know. I know. Next time, we take more cash. Can never have too much cash. I said next time. I said next time. Maybe I said it twice. I don't know. Bar gonna hold Wimmy and has potential. Yeah, Hey, I actually think. I mean, Wimmy's not a terrible play. Dump day Friday sounds about right, Zim. Yeah. Hey, I mean, you can't have them all, right? You can't have them all. I think you know what? It's a short week. It's a Friday. Nvidia blow off the top. I mean, it's carrying up the rest of the top end of the market. You got liquidity moving into bonds. It seems like today is more. See, it seems like today the market is repositioning itself. Excuse me, man. Oh man, coffee burps. Excuse me. It seems like the market is really taking some huge shifts in gears in regards to its positioning of overall liquidity. Like I think it's more to do with larger dynamics rather than just like tickers. Like I know normally this type of stuff doesn't really impact small caps and things like this, but I mean, it can, right? Especially, I mean, I don't really like my thesis that I'm kind of talking like I say this and you're like, "Oh, this guy like he gets it." I actually disagree with what I'm saying cuz it doesn't make a lot of sense. If you look at bond yields, yeah, their bond yields are down, so people are buying bonds, but it's nothing crazy. This SPY did dip earlier this week. Yep. No, look, Nvidia comes to the rescue every single time at the right moment, right? And how you say, at a certain point, Superman Nvidia ain't gonna be there. Nvidia man, chip, Nvidia man and Chip Boy, the dynamic duo isn't gonna be saving the market at some point. Some point, one of the people they're trying to save is gonna crack its head open on the pavement. Nvidia identifies as AMC. No, but see, like, look. First of all, I'm actually kind of interested, but I still think AMC could be very interesting. Tip jar. I know, yeah, I know, Pyro. Zim, thoughts? How would the market react to Nvidia taking a nice dip under 500? Okay, Pyro confirms that I said it twice. By the way, Pyro, you might have to re-update the live because I'm a little ahead. No, I'll because Steve said I said it twice and you said I said it twice, and it seems like you're lagging behind a little bit. Hold on, let me close the window. Somebody is mowing the lawn, but P71 PLTR is playing with my emotions. Yeah, man, I would. PLTR it's a long term play. It is overvalued. I have said that in the past. PLTR is overvalued. I do think it's the next Nvidia though. So, but this is, and I said this in the Discord, in the private Discord. I don't really feel like taking long term positions until I see Nvidia crash, or not crash, but kind of Zim what you're talking about in regards to a dip. The thing you have to understand, right? Okay, if you have a bunch of money parked in money market funds, all right, people are selling their bonds, all right. I don't think people understand how significant it is that people are selling their bonds. I understand the interest rates and everything. I get that, right? Because in the the market needs to rebalance itself in regards to the yields that the bonds offer. That I completely understand, right? But essentially, we printed all this money, and there's money sitting in money market funds, right? But even money market funds are a Ponzi scheme, right? Where do money market funds get all of their liquidity, right? It's not like money market funds are making money, right? Where does most of money market funds get their money from? Bond yields and other people putting money on top of other money. So okay, so you have a bunch of liquidity and money market in the money markets. Okay, that's one thing. On top of that, you have a bunch of people selling out of pretty much any ticker that is below, I would say, $15 billion in value, clearly indicating that there is a massive bias to companies that already have some form of success. That does not necessarily mean that companies below that value or even around that value, if they flip fundamentally sound in regards to strong revenue or strong earnings, I would even say, like they actually cash flow, that does not mean that you cannot experience volatility within those tickers, right? That's also nothing. On top of that, you have most of the actual liquidity within the market is just going into leveraged financial products, options. All right, so you have very little consistent investing, anything below $15 billion in market cap. All right, everything else is being consistently bought up. Why is everything else being consistently bought up? Because you have retirement funds, pension funds, BlackRock, Vanguard. You have all these huge investment firms basically buying into the large tickers because it's the only thing that they can buy into at this point. It's the only thing that offers some form of value, right? And especially in turbulent times, especially in stagflation, when you have inflation and you have a stagnation in productivity, right? So you mix all that together, and then you take a look at the big seven, right? And Zim, I'm getting to the point here, but this is complex shit. Not complex. I don't want to say it's complex. That's unfair. I'm just saying when you speak on Nvidia, you're speaking on the entirety of the market. All right, you're speaking on a massive macro playing field. So you kind of have to get the landscape going. All right, so I say you look at the landscape. So people who are parking their money, they want returns above 5%. Okay. Any true consistent investing is coming from pension funds and retirement funds. Okay. Most of the degen gambling, most of the shifting in liquidity is going into options. Okay. You take the big seven. They're the only tickers that basically guarantee value. Now, I could easily argue of the big seven that I would say 3 of them are probably going to lose money in the short term. So their momentum in value has slowed down. So that means it's purely just automatic payments, automatic purchase of shares, right? Nvidia is different though. Nvidia is new. So, and especially because the market is having a tough time being able to edge each other out in value, right? And this is across the board. Nvidia is the only ticker that really is offering that value. Now, the problem is that if you buy Nvidia, you look smart, right? If you don't buy Nvidia, you look dumb, especially in a market where money is, and how do you say, this applies to other tickers as well. Nvidia represents like a core group of like, I would say 25 tickers in the market, all right? If you don't buy Nvidia, you look like an idiot, especially when the market is struggling to find consistent returns. So Nvidia and some of these other larger tickers, they represent sort of a beacon. They're kind of like a float in a massive, or they're like a little floaty. They're like a unicorn floaty in a massive tsunami, right? And people are just latching onto it. So Zim, to finally answer your question, what happens if Nvidia drops below 500? You're going to see, in my opinion, a massive form of deleveraging. All right? Because the amount of money, not only in the actual ticker, but I also say on the leverage market, because you have to remember, the leveraged financial products within the system are 20x anything that you could purchase on the stock market. Right now, you probably don't have access. We don't have access to most of that stuff, but the actual markets are 20x. So if if Nvidia drops 50%, rather than it being $1 trillion, right? And because total value of Nvidia is 2 trillion. We'll just say 10x, so that's 20 trillion in leveraging and in ETFs and all this stuff, right? So 20x or 10x, so you're going to do 5x, so you're going to $10 trillion. Now, I'm not saying that's actually going to happen. I'm not saying $10 trillion is going to be wiped out of the market. I'm saying that our system is so leveraged that a 5% drop in the overall market can crash it, right? The market relies, that's why the Fed also printed a bunch of money, is that our market and our system relies on continuous incremental gains and cannot afford small collapses. Miss Harris, good morning. Sorry, Miss Harris, I did not see. How are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful morning. So, yes, so Zim, to answer your question, and this is not even to mention like commercial real estate, right, Zim? I'm pretty sure you probably did some research into it. You seem like you got that bury in you, if you know what I mean. You got that bury. But yeah, if you look into commercial real estate, that's also a big thing. So it's basically the market is slowly concentrating its liquidity in less and less baskets, right? It's slowly starting to put more of its eggs in fewer and fewer baskets. And the issue is when those tiny amount of baskets give way in any significant manner, that's when you start having issues, right? Because the whole money market thing, I'm still not 100% sold on. Now, I'm not saying that the things aren't gonna. I'm not saying it's the end of the world. I'm laying out the landscape, right? That's all I'm doing. But I think these things are important to consider, right? So I really do think that these things are important to consider because how do you say it translates into a day like this. Yes, there are tickers that are running. Yes, there are tickers that are up 30%. Yes, there are tickers up 40%. There's probably a ticker out there that's up 100% today, right? But there's also a lot of tickers that are being sold off. So that it translates to days like today, right? Where yes, you have tickers that are running. They might not run as smoothly as they normally do, but how do you say it? I mean, you're speaking on trillions and trillions of dollars, right? So a small impact on trillions of dollars equates to billions and billions of dollars, which has a big impact on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, Zim, I hope that answers your question, man. I think it sends people into panic mode. And it gets people worried, especially at the top. I mean, just look at insider selling, man. Just look up a graph of insider selling. Insiders have been selling. I mean, what? Jeff Bezos sold $6 billion worth of Amazon stock in the last couple of weeks. Mark Zuckerberg sold out. Nvidia insiders have sold out. Elon Musk has sold out. I need that AI girlfriend technology already. Hey man, who says that shit ain't already here? Honestly, P71, if you want to get the beta version, bro, just get it. Buy Apple, those Apple goggles. Get a. Yeah, I don't even want to say it. Get a pocket pussy and then put it in the microwave. Get some Apple goggles, and I think you're good to go. And then just put it in some pillows. It can't cook for you yet, but it's almost there. Maybe hire a private chef. Oh, bro. I mean, well, have you seen the whole AI video thing and everything? That's it's crazy. Yeah, some of that apple pie too. Exactly. No, what is it? The AI stuff is getting insane, man. I mean, it's really hard to even believe any of this stuff. Like I can, there's still things I can distinguish. Red apple, yeah, let's go. But yeah, no, these are just look. These are I am only speaking on these things to try to bring awareness to people's minds, like what to look for and think on, right? That's all. Not not only on the Nvidia thing, but also like the AI thing. Like I can still distinguish, but I also have been looking at the internet for like basically the entirety of my life. I mean, I think it's funny, like LQD. Oh, actually, like, and if you guys don't believe what I'm talking about, right? Like, if you take a look, there's a ticker, right? And I'm giving this out for free. I don't really care. All right, there's a ticker LQDT. All right, this is a liquidity. I've talked about this multiple times, but it's a good indicator. LQDT is a ticker that liquidates financial assets for companies in distress, either through bankruptcy or because their debt, they need to pay off debt. All right. LQDT dropped all the way down to 13.99 and then instantly popped right back up. Appleman Tune preaching once again. Zim, you don't know how good it feels, baby, to be right back in the chair, right in the hot seat. Let's go, baby. Oh, that AI girlfriend comment knocked a couple of people off. I apologize. I know, I know. Grotesque, but we live in a crazy time, man. I'm not the one who got us here. I'm just telling you what it is. Um, but yeah, liquidity services, LQDT. If you take a look at this ticker, all right, they liquidate assets in distress for companies. All right, this one, just take a look at it. That's all I'll leave it at. I'm not gonna go into the whole why. I'm not gonna push anyone to purchase it or not purchase it. I'm just saying I keep my eye very tightly knit and close to this ticker. That's all I'm gonna say. Give me that VWAP. Yeah. Now the VWAP is never mind. Do remember, Tune, you are not in Discord, so chat is seen by everyone now. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to. I'm trying to. It's my first day back, Steve. Give me a little time. I said this morning. Give me a little bit of time to warm up. All right. My God, you guys are wild. Steve, it's not even me, bro. It's you're saying look at the chat. Like I'm not the one typing. Someone control P71. Someone take away his phone, bro. that took a while. Okay. But yeah, it's interesting to see. Because we got a gap fill on the SPY at 501, 502. Actually, let me remove. Oh, wait. Is it. Wait, what? Oh, okay, never mind. You were just saying lost some people after talking about AI, but yeah, Steve. That's also I understand, but come on, man. This is it's AI. Like I know it gives people headaches, but it's AI. It was also my comments. I know, I get it. Yeah, Wimmy's looking good. 115, good bounce. All right, Spy's filling the gap from this morning. Probably gonna see a bounce on the SPY here. What about Nvidia? Yeah, where did Nvidia go? Oh, Nvidia continues to drop. Nvidia already filling that gap.